DC ke East Giant Hills Ushivan Wasti Habekran Mikilat Pathai Khubor Uletho baka jingpyntrei ya ka Surok ba National Highway kuma 9% ka Kamla Dam bat lai 4% ka Dangyat Shakhmat. Shushu loong menta ke NHI kala siang da ka Surok dobilat haki Surok kiba ka rong ka dulut bat ka ni ka Surok dobilat ka shimpor haduk kat sngi ban long ban yat bat hakapor ba pyntrei ya ka ni ka Surok ka dhengkali ka donben bat ki bor penyat district kimsha yat kali hakapor ba dang pyntrei ya ka Surok. Ulak kentu ya ka National Highway Authority of India ban pendam no kloy kat bala ya ka ni ka Surok namar ka jingshina da ka Surok cement kan penduna ya ka jingjulor ya ka Surok.
And it is like this road is connecting not just our state but it is connecting multiple states, so the traffic here on this road is huge, but we are in continuous touch with National Highway Authority of India. Most of the portion, around 70% of the work is complete, remaining 30% is going on. And this time they are not just doing the bituminous roads, but especially in the areas where bituminous roads break down more often, this time they are doing the cement concrete work. So this cement concrete work takes around 15 days to settle down, then they have to finish one lane first, then second lane. So that is why right now when the construction is going on, problems are there, traffic problems are also there. Many times we have to impose no entry at night when the work is going on. So, but hopefully the 70% of the work is over, and we are also pushing from our side with National Highway Authority of India to complete this work as soon as possible. So once this remaining 30% is also done, I think this will be a very long-term solution, because with this cement concrete road, the breakdown will be less.